Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace water pump on Hyundai Santa Fe. First, remove the engine mount to access the water pump, and then remove the belt as well. Now remove the 4 bolts on water pump pulley to access the water pump bolts. Here is the water pump. Remove the water pump bolts, all of them. And then wiggle it, or you can use spray bar to take it out. See, a lot of coolant there is leaking. Clean the water pump surface nicely, clean properly. And tight the bolts, and don't forget to torque the bolts.
And then
Here is the
put
new
on
water
the new
pump
water
going
pump.
in. Put back the water pump pulley as well, tight the bolts. Last but not least, put on the belt. Finally flush the coolant, and that will be everything.